Online appointment booking for PCC and entry exit certificate is explained in this video. If you did not subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. So let's move on. So here I will explain how to book the appointment to visit the General Department of Criminal Evidence. So first of all, you have to type MOI Kuwait in your browser. Then click on the first link. So here in the link, this is the MOI's homepage. You can see appointments. Click on the appointments and click on criminal evidences. So once the page opens, you have to enter your civil ID and click on start your service. Then you have to click on individual and expat and application for criminal evidence. So you can see three options. You have to click on criminal evidence, and service type you have to click on human pedigree claims travel abroad. First option, that is the first option. So then you have to click on the governorate, that is I select Furwaniya here, and here I can see the General Department of Criminal Evidence. So you can click on enter data. So you will get another page. Here you have to again enter your civil ID, then name, mobile number and email ID, and you can select the timing. So once the time is selected, appointment date and time will be displayed, and you can click on reservation button. So it will ask you a pop-up message. You have to just click on OK, and it will give you an appointment. So here it will be mentioned General Department of Criminal Evidence, Dajij area near Sultan Center. So this is where you can get the PCC. So this page you have to keep it while you visit the Dajij branch of Criminal Evidence. So in case if you click on any other option before saving this page, for example, as I show it here, so I click on get reference number button without knowing what happens, so it will take me to another page. So in that case, you have to again click on appointments and enter your civil ID number and start service, and do the same things as you did before. Select the category to individual and expat, and select the application for criminal evidence, and service type to human pedigree claims, and governorate to the same one, Furwaniya, and General Department of Criminal Evidence. And once you click on enter, it will give you an error message that you have already booked an appointment. So if you can retrieve your appointment which you have taken earlier, and you can just click on Ctrl+P, or you can just print it and take it with you. Next, booking an appointment to get the entry exit certificate or travel history. So again you have to move on to the same page and enter into the same pattern to the criminal evidence, and you have to give your details similarly. So everything is same as the previous steps. So you have to select on the category to individual and expat, and the application to, here you have to select border control sector, and the service type you have to select entry exit certificate. So this option is again coming under the criminal evidence section in the home page of appointment. So again you have to select the area, and you have to select the Central Department for entry and exit procedures, and you have to click on the enter button. So the procedure is similar, same criminal evidence department you have to select for booking the appointment, and this will take to a similar page where you have to enter your civil ID, name, mobile number and email ID, and click on the time, and it will display the time and date, and you have to click on it, and you have to accept the pop-up message, and this will give you the appointment. It may take around 1 minute to give you the appointment. So this is how I got the appointment. So here you can see Central Department for exit and entry procedures. This page you can print it out and take it with you while visiting the Ports Management Department near to Kuwait Airport. So you can save it and print it out. So that is all about how to book an appointment to get the Kuwait PCC and to get the travel history from the Ports Management Department. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any doubts, please ask it in the comment section. Thank you.